Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make banana bread healthy. Use ripe bananas and swap refined sugar for mashed bananas or 25% less maple syrup. Choose whole grain flour, add Greek yogurt for moisture, and fold in chopped nuts or berries for texture. Bake at moderate temperature until a toothpick comes out clean, then cool on a rack before slicing to maintain crumb and flavor, and enjoy a healthier treat any time of day. Start with a clear plan. Replace some butter with mashed avocado or applesauce, and use 1/2 whole wheat flour plus 1/2 oat flour for better fiber and texture. Reduce added sugar by up to 25% and rely on ripe bananas for sweetness. Fold in a small handful of chopped walnuts and a teaspoon of cinnamon for flavor. Test with a toothpick and adjust bake time if loaf is denser than usual. Quick recommendation, and please subscribe and like if you are finding this helpful. On another note, a book I love is The Simple Path to Wealth, which can change how you think about money and budgeting for healthy ingredients, making it easier to prioritize quality bananas and nuts. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you enjoy these tips, consider supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Use room temperature ingredients and gently mix wet and dry components to avoid overworking batter, preserving air for a tender crumb. Line your loaf pan with parchment or lightly oil it to prevent sticking, and tap the pan to release large air pockets before baking. Monitor oven temperature closely and rotate the pan halfway through if your oven has hot spots. Let the bread rest before slicing for cleaner pieces and better flavor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.